Hello friends, welcome to our Stock Business News. And today we are going to see Reliance consolidated Q3 numbers. Friends, from the earlier stages itself, I am telling like Reliance is going to be a what you called a very consistent and good return given companies as I preferred it having a good strength. And in our last year, before Reliance Industries announced their forays into green energy, we done a video especially on that. For Reliance Industries survival, they have to or has to they has to come into EV like renewable energy sector, hydrogen, battery manufacturing. These things they have to come, like they are having fossil fuels, right? Slowly fossil fuels will going to uh, go down. So in that case what happens means we have to come up with a extraordinary plan to survive in future. That's how Reliance also came into in this field. So we predicted this even before, and we done a video on that, and we given target for 4,000 rupees for Reliance Industries. As you see now, Reliance Industries, what you called speed, like recently they acquired some companies in solar, and after that they are invested in sodium lithium and sodium batteries, sorry, lithium batteries, which are going to be a very cost effective things, and sodium batteries which are sodium available with a low cost. And with R&D, if this Reliance Industries will come up with a good technology, these sodium batteries are going to be a turnaround. And next, recently, robotics. You all aware of our affordable robotics pick and ABB Limited. So we pick these two on this area. Affordable robotics given 100% returns, 90 rupees to now 180 plus. And ABB Limited around we pick like 1,000 near plus or minus 200. Now it is around 2,000 rupees. There also you get like 50% above returns. Still, friends, if you look at the major things like good possible ways, Reliance acquiring very good companies with a very good vision for coming future. It will give slow returns, but definitely you are going to see Reliance Industries is a major one to keep in our portfolio. I am telling you this from 1,000 rupees onwards. Yes friends, 1,000 rupees onwards. And after rally I mentioned 1,800, 1,700 is the key support level. You can accumulate this level for higher moves. So then from there to 2,700, 2,700, after next support level it taken is 2,200, 300. This level is taken as a support and went up. Now the results which Reliance given are awesome, really friends. Due to some reasons also there, tariff hikes are there, but unlock happens. So their industrial business like fuel business came up with good movement, and festival season will give some boost to their Geomart retail segment. So all three club and it given an extraordinary. This is the potential of Reliance Industries in coming future. If they give a good breakthrough in their 76,000 crores investment in renewable side, if they perform very well, that is also very key points we have to look in coming years also. As of now, we are going to see Reliance Industries numbers. If you see here, top side 9% means it's not a small thing, and in net profits 35% means it's a very good numbers. And if you see 52 to 41, it's an extraordinary move in year on year, last year to this year same quarter. And half 9 months comparison also looks very good. If you see in screen, there looks very awesome. And recently I am looking these Max Ventures having some potential, I think friends. Max Ventures and Industries, so performing very well as per their numbers. And few analysts also taking positions in this stock. They given good numbers. If you see here, these numbers are awesome numbers. 170% in net profit, 140%, and like last year to year. This is sequential quarter comparison, and this is last year to this year comparison. Looks pretty good, and I am expecting this will be next going stock. Let's wait a minute. Max Venture Industries looks rally given already, or maybe so we can take it out as a stock with good fundamentals. So we are going to see this stock how it is moving. Then you will get to know about the stock movement we can enter or not. So see here, within the period of like 1 year, it shoot up from 50 rupees. So this is the level. So if you see on screen where I am hovering, you are going to see price 49.48 to a 52-week high of 156. So then it is taken some consolidation. So already it's shooten up. So maybe you can expect to enter below this level, like 1120 below. If you enter 1120 below, then we can expect like little consolidation, but after that I think it is going to move forward direction itself. And friends, one thing, few member our friend asked about, by looking charts, if you explain, it looks good for us. So this is Reliance Industries 1 year, and if you want to see this 2 years also, uh, just I will keep it out from 2020. So then you are going to know what I mentioned. So from 800, so this is 800 rupees stock. At this price, Reliance Industries taken a huge amount of positions in the stock, in this Reliance Industries share. Then they given that shares into rights issue. It's like a different corporate plan. And if you see here, as I mentioned earlier, 1,000 rupees. So see here, after this Reliance acquired, at time itself I mentioned to buy. So after shoot up, this is when Reliance buy, after immediately it shoot up to 1,000 rupees. I mentioned here 1,000 rupees around. Then it moves slowly, and see here, in this single jump, it continuously given up movement to here. But I mentioned like 1800 will be as a key support. See here, it came up to here 1800. This is the 1800 is the key consolidation. So you can accumulate here for further up rally. Recently it went up to 2700 near. So next it is now it is trading around 2000 300 like that. So now it is like 2300 400 near. But friends, we can expect the stock will move further upside only. So we didn't expect stock will go below 2300, because it's having like good interest from people. So this is like a moving average, 200 moving average having a 2300. So we didn't expect the stock will go below this level. So we can expect more upside. So that's how I am expecting. And the next thing, there will be inflationary pressure, but if they expect to give more foray in EVs, then it is possible to beat the estimations also in Reliance Industries. So next one, Max Ventures, I shown you, and this is one of our best pick. And Tanla platforms, if you observe here, Tanla platforms also given a good number. But friends, few people asked me, sir, it will go 3000. Few news analysts also giving 3000 as a target for Reliance, these Tanla platforms. So friends, it has the potential to go to 3000, but not immediately. Why? Because if you observe the Tanla platforms quarterly results, it looks like good results, but the rally which the stock given also we have to see about the rally. So valuation is also very important while you are taking positions in the stock. Without that analysis, there will be little mistakes of entering at high values. So even before also I mentioned 2000 is the very crucial resistance. Up to 2000 it went multiple times but fell down from 2000 levels. Still friends, if you will see here, Tanla platforms financial numbers, you are going to know how it is playing. Just friends, taking so much of time, I will close this quick. So see here, it is like say 367. When it given 367 highest earnings of that quarter, and still it performed little 26 crores only, but due to COVID app and the expectations of the results also will very high net profits, so it shoot up from there to 2000 rupees. So profit booking happened at 2000 levels, and the next thing is again it reached to after profit booking and selling pressure, it went again to this level. If you observe here, see here, so 2000 above also it went again, profit booking happened. So this is operators game, friends. They dump their shares at these levels. Maybe they can take position again when it reaches around to these levels. But buying interest is there. That's how the stock again still holded above 21-day moving average. So friends, if you observe here, these moving averages are very important. If you are in a stocks, or when to book profit or when to hold for a while, uh, these sessions will take by looking these 9-day moving average and 21-day moving average and 50-day moving average. Whenever crossovers happens, there we have to look little cautious. These are exponential moving averages. But friends, I am expecting 2300 will be the target for the near term target. 3000 is possible, but it takes little time. But we can expect the stock will sustain these levels. So I am expecting those things. Let's watch how it will take time. Thank you.